Stop using your air fryer the same way every day. Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. If you're short on time, but still want a warm, satisfying meal, these ideas will help you instantly. Today I'll show you 5 quick and easy dishes to cook meals using an air fryer. In just a few minutes you can have a warm and delicious meal ready. Let's get into the kitchen together. Let's start with a quick and simple breakfast that you can make all at once, perfect for busy mornings when time feels a little tight. Firstly, prepare a heat-proof container that fits inside your air fryer. Lightly grease it, then crack a few eggs directly into the container. This will be your main protein, warm and comforting to start the day. Next, place a few slices of bread and some sausages right into the air fryer basket alongside the eggs. There's no need to cook them separately. Everything can go in together at the same time, which makes this method very convenient. Now set your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, about 190 degrees Celsius, and cook for around 5 minutes. In just a few minutes, all 3 items will be ready together. The eggs will be gently set, the sausages heated through, and the bread slightly crisp on the outside. What I really like about this idea is how it saves time without giving up a warm, homemade breakfast. You don't need multiple pans or extra cleanup. It's a simple, practical option that fits easily into your routine, especially on those busy mornings when you still want something satisfying and nourishing. Next, let's make crispy tortilla rolls filled with fresh avocado, a light and flavorful option that's perfect for a simple snack during the day. You'll need 2 tortilla sheets and cut each one into 4 equal pieces. Take each piece and gently roll it into a cone shape like an ice cream cone. Use a toothpick to secure the shape so it doesn't open while cooking. Place the tortilla cones into the air fryer and bake at 355 degrees Fahrenheit, about 180 degrees Celsius, for around 8 minutes until they turn golden and crispy. While the tortillas are baking, prepare the avocado filling. Take half an avocado, peel it, and cut it into small pieces. Add some diced tomatoes, a little finely chopped onion, and a splash of lemon juice to keep the avocado fresh. For a richer flavor, season with a pinch of salt and pepper, then gently mix everything together, and your fresh avocado filling is ready. Now go back to the tortillas. Once they are done, they will be evenly golden and crispy. Remove them from the air fryer carefully. Take out the toothpicks and let them cool slightly so they become even crispier. Finally, spoon the avocado mixture into each cone. The result is a crispy shell with a fresh, creamy filling inside, light, slightly tangy, and full of flavor. I think you shouldn't miss this dish this summer. Next is the dish I'm most proud of and enjoy the most, a simple garlic butter shrimp. It may look a bit fancy, but it's actually very easy to make. Start by preparing about 300 to 500 grams of fresh shrimp that have been peeled and cleaned. Then make a small cut along the back and carefully remove the vein. This helps the shrimp cook more evenly and allows the flavors to soak in better. Next, line the air fryer basket with a piece of parchment paper to prevent sticking and keep it clean. Add the shrimp, then add a few cloves of minced garlic, some melted butter, and a little olive oil. Season with a pinch of salt and add a bit of lemon juice for a fresh, balanced flavor. Gently mix everything together so the shrimp are evenly coated. Then place it into the air fryer and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 200 degrees Celsius, for around 7 to 8 minutes. As it cooks, the garlic becomes fragrant and the butter melts into the shrimp, creating a rich and inviting aroma. Once done, the shrimp will be tender, juicy, and full of flavor with a light buttery richness and a hint of garlic. You can enjoy it with warm rice and a little salad for a light and balanced meal. The fourth dish I want to show you is honey mustard chicken wings, a hearty dish but very simple to make in just one cooking session. To make this dish, you should choose chicken wings or the middle section of the wings. This part is tender and easiest to cook. To help them cook evenly, you can make small cuts along both sides near the bone. Place the wings into a bowl, then season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of sake, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Three cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 2 tablespoons of honey to create a naturally mild sweetness. Mix everything well so the wings are evenly coated with the sauce. Then place them into the air fryer, arranging them evenly without stacking. To balance the flavor and richness of the meat, you can add some vegetables, such as sliced potatoes, pumpkin mushrooms, or anything you like. Spread them over the wings, then drizzle a little olive oil. Add a pinch of salt and pepper on top, and cook in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. About halfway through, stir the vegetables and flip the wings. Then brush a little more sauce on top to enhance the flavor. Once cooked, the chicken will be golden juicy and full of rich flavor with a hint of sweetness. Along with the tender and flavorful vegetables, it's perfect to enjoy together with the wings. This dish is very quick to make, and you can prepare it any time to treat your friends and family. Finally, here's a quick and easy snack. Crispy rice paper with a touch of seaweed, perfect for a delicious and unique treat. Start by taking a sheet of rice paper and lightly dampening it with a little water to soften it. While it's still slightly wet, place a piece of nori seaweed on top and gently press it down so it sticks well. This adds a savory flavor and helps hold the shape. Once everything is attached, use scissors or a knife to cut them into small pieces. You can cut them into squares or triangles depending on your preference. Smaller pieces will crisp up more evenly and are easier to eat. Next, arrange them in a single layer in the air fryer without overlapping. Then lightly brush a thin layer of oil over the surface and sprinkle a little salt on top. This simple step helps enhance the flavor and create a crispy texture. Now bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 200 degrees Celsius, for around 2 minutes. They cook very quickly, so keep an eye on them. Once done, they become light crispy and slightly airy with a gentle savory taste. This is a quick and healthy snack that you can enjoy anytime or make for your kids as a fun treat. And those are 5 quick and easy air fryer recipes that are simple and practical for you to try at home. Whether it's a quick breakfast, a light snack, or a more filling meal, everything can be prepared easily with just a few ingredients and very little time. I hope these recipes help make your time in the kitchen more relaxing and enjoyable. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tracy Tips for more easy and useful ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.